It's really beautiful here, guys. Budapest really is a gorgeous, gorgeous city. Oh.
It's so hot.
Alright, morning guys. So, after a nice night's sleep, we decided we're going to do a walking tour of the city and finally look around a bit. So, Anne.
Just woman days
Yeah.
in my life, man.
Is it? Cheers. This is
I
to...
never traveled actually in this day.
Oh. So guys, it is International Women's Day, which is, I don't know, is it, I guess, the Eastern version of Valentine's Day? But you celebrate both.
Yeah.
Because they're greedy, guys. But here's a trick. Just tell them that your enemies are coming after you and you need to go on a business trip from February 13th through March 9th. Plan it for next year. So before the tour starts, we're just having a little breakfast. And the Hungarian idea of a croissant is just a croissant with a whole jalapeno pepper inside. They call it paprika, but it's literally a spicy chili. How crazy is that? Like literally just a croissant with a hidden spicy pepper. It's like a joke or something. Their parliament is absolutely beautiful. How cool is this? I've never been to Washington, D.C., but I'm assuming we can't just like wander over and just get this close to the buildings. Look how cool this style is.
The metro station, if you would like to observe how Hungarians are, because that's a mix of people, you know, and they are locals, of course. And if you go to a metro station, you can meet with 4 different generations. And let me speak a little bit about the generations. Firstly, there is the generation of my grandparents. Stand this memorial, you have to know that during those years of the communism, Hungary was full of Soviet venues. But you have to imagine also Budapest, as beautiful as it is today, but in every single corner of the city, there was a statue of a Soviet soldier. But I'm speaking about huge Soviet soldiers. Huge statues. We organized an alternate museum for the former Soviet decoration. We call it Memento Park. Believe me, it has nothing to do with the Budapest city, you know, it's really in the countryside. Honestly, we wanted to remove this one as well, together with the other statues, but something happened, we kept it there. And now we are really active.
So this is the living monuments that were added by the people because the government had built this memorial. That was kind of just like the Germans made us do it, but the people were like, no, we also took part and we didn't remember it. Wow, it's really beautiful here, guys. Budapest really is a gorgeous, gorgeous city. Wow. All right, so we just finished the tour. It was pretty interesting to get a little history and walk around a bit. And they suggested we come to this market here to try some of their traditional cakes. Let's check it out. Here we go, guys. Hey guys, I want to take a break and thank this week's sponsor and tell you about Popsy. So if you don't know, I film all of my videos on an iPhone. I started with an iPhone 7, then I had 11, 12, and now this is the 13. But they're expensive. And honestly, if I wasn't making YouTube videos professionally, I would have kept my iPhone 7 because they're a lot cheaper. If you can't afford or don't want to spend over $1,000 on a brand new iPhone, Popsy is for you. They sell refurbished iPhones for as little as $99. That's an amazing deal. And we're gonna team up and we're actually gonna give one away to one of you. All you have to do is be a subscriber on this channel and to follow me on Instagram at JohnnyFDJ, and I will pick somebody at random and I'll shoot you over the info on how to get yourself a refurbished Apple iPhone from Popsy, but you can buy one for as little as 99 bucks or 129 or whatever model you want. Let me actually show you how easy it is. So download the app either on Android or on iOS and just scroll through, see what there is. They have all different types of models. They all come with a 12-month warranty. These prices are amazing. Check it out for yourself and make sure you use my link in the description below to get your refurbished iPhone from Popsy. Thanks guys for sponsoring. Here we guys go. Here we go guys. The market. Hungary. So here is where you can get a lot of souvenirs, wine, cheese. I'm not sure how many local Hungarians actually come here. But I guess, I guess people come here for fruit and vegetables, things like that, meats. Actually, I think a lot of locals do shop here for fruit and vegetables. Alright, so here we are on the second floor. If you want some souvenirs, some traditional kind of goods.
Look at this.
So here we go.
Yeah, it's what she told me. Looks interesting.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
They have sweet and they have salt. Let's see what else they have.
Alright. So here we have some traditional Hungarian food. These are some shish looking kebabs, sausages, cool fried things. Hungarian goulash, sausages, Wiener schnitzel, beetroot, this stuffed cabbage like we have in Ukraine, some beans and rice, lasagna, schnitzel, spag bowl, all this stuff. So for lunch, we're having coffee, goulash soup, and then for Johnny, chicken leg with goulash soup. Nice music in the background. This is super cool. I think they're plowshares, but it looks like they're wrestling almost. This in the background. Alright, we're just waiting for the bus. Let me see some Hungarian lapniks. Hello. So guys, we are at the train station. We were taking a look to see how they can get to Bratislava. Good news, the trains are free for Ukrainians right now. Bad news is they're not on a set schedule, so you kind of just have to wait there. And a lot of it's standing room only. And the lines are really long. Luckily, Bratislava is pretty close, so they're gonna take the bus instead. So we're gonna go to my house, grab their things, and head to the bus station to say bye to our favorite Ukrainian friends.
Hi.
Bye.
Bye. Sorry.
Almost bye. But I'm not too excited to get on another train anytime soon after the long journey here from Kiev. Alright, so we're gonna stop for one of these traditional Hungarian, what do you call these dessert things? The one here at the train station is only 350 hryvnia, Huff. The one at the Jewish quarter was 2,000. That's like how many times the price? Almost like 8 times the price. That's insane. So this is where the locals go. There's a big sign on there that says no photo or video. So let's try to just sneak by. Okay. So we got some of these. What do they call? What are they called? I forgot. Chimney cake things. Yeah. Oh, mine's the best one because it's still hot. Oh.
Still hot.
Oh.
How you can do it?
Sorry. It's nice. What do you think? Tasty. Okay. It's been a fun trip, but the girls are on their way to the bus station.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Johnny. This is for you.
I'll hold it. There it is here. We need to go to discuss. Hey, what kind of cake is it?
Huh?
What kind of cake do you have?
This is chocolate cake.
Oh,
It's not.
Cartoonia. All right, so we made it to the final metro, and to the bus. Yeah. She was showing us her cat as well. Really cute one. Alright, just a few minutes before their bus to Bratislava leaves. We made it just in time. This is it. Good old Flixbus to Bratislava.
Bye.
Be safe. Travel
You
safely.
too.
I have no idea when I'm gonna see them again. Like, so Anne is gonna go stay with a friend in France, and Kate is basically sharing an apartment with a coworker that she used to work with in Kiev, and they're in Bratislava. And I can always visit, but I don't really have a reason to go to either. So for now, I'm gonna stay in Bratislava, or I mean in Budapest. And who knows when we can see each other again. But yeah, hopefully we'll be back in Kiev. This is official, guys. And that's it, guys. I hope this war ends soon. We'll meet again back in Ukraine. Who knows when that's going to be. Alright, so now that the girls are gone, I gotta figure out what I want to do here in Budapest. The good thing about being here is it's very close to the Ukrainian border, so a lot of people are coming through every day, so I'm able to help. The bad news, about it is it just constantly is a reminder of what's going on in Ukraine, which I know sucks, but it's good that it's a reminder, and it's good that these, the Russian war is on top of everyone's minds, because hopefully that will drive attention to it, and it can help end it sooner than later. In the meantime, I'm doing my best to help from here, helping people who are coming through, raise awareness, and to raise funds as well. I started a GoFundMe mainly because it's really hard to send money to people in Ukraine right now, unless you have a Ukrainian bank account, which most people don't. PayPal is, you know, slow, unstable, and lots of people's money. There's no such thing as like Venmo or, you know, or like things like that there. So I'm fortunate that I have my Ukrainian bank accounts. I actually have two that are working, and I can transfer money into them and also out of them, so I can help people on the ground. If you want to support, I'll have links in the description box below. And keep an eye out, because I'm going to be doing a big fundraiser. We'll be teaming up with some very unique people to raise some money from Ukraine, or for Ukraine. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay safe, and Slava Ukraine.